How to allow or block app permissions to access speech recognition on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then, from the home screen, you want to tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Privacy and Security. After that, we then scroll down, then tap on Speech Recognition. Now in here it says applications that have requested access to speech recognition will appear here. Speech recognition sends recorded voice to Apple to process your request. Now because my list is empty, I cannot tap on an app, but previously if you have an app that try to access speech recognition, it will appear in the list here. And from the list of apps, you can simply tap on it to grant or to block the app permission to use speech recognition. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.